English.
Look at the camera. Can you say, hello, cheese? Oh, cheese.
Tortilla.
Can you say tortilla?
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Self-destructive, I'll take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
So today we're in the Valle de Guadalupe. It's the wine country in Baja, Mexico. We're just 50 miles or so south of Tecate. We're at the Zoological Park. It was a park started by the man who owned the Jersey Dairy here. It's a wonderful place. It's an enrichment park. It's really designed for families. It's got, you can bring your family in, have a picnic, do a birthday party, see all the zoo animals, ride the little train. It's got several pools. They have bathrooms with showers. Plenty of parking for RVs, big rigs. It's a great stop if you're coming south out of Tecate. You know, you usually start in California earlier in the morning, cross the border. You get down here, it's a nice break. It's only, you know, an hour and a half south of Tecate. So it's a wonderful place. I really suggest it. So we'll take a little tour. I've shot some video on a few different devices, so I'm not sure how it's going to come out. But we thought we'd kind of start putting this out to the community as a great place for RVers, especially if you're transient, going maybe Ensenada or Point South. It's a great stop before and after you cross the border. So whether you're headed north or south, is a great little stop. So one of the really cool things here is they have this tiger enclosure back here, and the tiger's name is Thunder. I don't know how to say that in Spanish. My Spanish isn't that good. But the tiger, if you go over the tiger, he'll kind of like play with you. So you get within like 3 feet of this tiger, and you get to running back and forth by his cage, and he'll run along with you. He's really cute, but they're also very clear that, you know, he's a wild animal, so don't put your fingers in there. But he's really cute.
Yeah. The older male used to reach up to that elbow. Huge.
Yeah, I was looking at the structure and I'm like, when did we get out?
Even when we built that with the San Diego Zoo, we asked San Diego Zoo like, can they jump? And we went to a rescue habitat in Oaxaca.
Okay. Get his attention. Run back. Run back. Run back. We'll run with you. Run back the other way. Come on.
To see how the teeth are growing. So my front work with Sonia arriba. The upper lip. Okay. Now with Kumi, it's the same thing. Arriba Kumi. So Kumi started learning this by imitating mama.
Talk about quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single need. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unfeel, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal once in a while. Feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I might let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
So who are you?
Hello, my name is Arturo. I'm one of the trainers and keepers here at the Zoológico Parque del Nino in Valle de Guadalupe, Ensenada, Baja California.
And who's with you?
Oh, this is Jack. He's a Patagonian parrot. He came for us as a donation. So he's one of our ambassadors over here at the zoo.
Great. And so today I just wanted to say a little thanks for the interaction you're doing with our group, you know, and the special
Thank you for coming.
care that you give us. So one of my goals out of this trip is to let people in the north, from Canada and the U.S., as they travel through the valley, whether they're going north or south or the destinations in the valley, is to understand that this park is here.
Yes.
And one of the great things that is the large parking area where you could do an overnight with an RV if you wanted.
Yeah.
You know, so that's, you know, it's just a wonderful place.
So everybody's more than welcome to come over here. You can find us on Facebook at Zoológico Parque del Niño is the name, Zoológico Parque del Niño. You can find us at that in our Facebook page, and you can send us a message. We can answer it as soon as possible. Any questions? And if you're coming from States, Canada, everybody can stay over here. We just have to see how's the rate and everything, but you're more than welcome to come, and we loved having any visitors that come over here. Thank you.
Hello, Pedro. How are you? Yes.
Give me a kiss. Come on, smooch up there. Yeah, give me a kiss.
Hello. Can you say kiss, kiss? Hello. No kisses. He doesn't like my minty breath.
Hey, buddy, where are you?
He went to go get some food.
You went to go get food? I came to see you. You know, you're one of our favorites.
Hi, buddy. He sees them. He sees the zookeepers.
Yeah. He knows they're coming with some
Are
food.
they coming with food? Hey. Hey, buddy. Are they gonna come with some food?
He's like, I don't want to talk to you guys. I know who's coming.
Yeah.
The zookeepers are coming. They're my buddies.
Oh my God, that's so
You can hear it?
Yeah. What does the purring mean? In a cat, it means they're usually content.
Exactly the same.
They're happy.
Yeah.
They're content. I am friendly.
You can hear it?
Yeah.
The purring. They also make a call like that. It's their call.
Oh, that's how they call.
Yeah. The first time I heard that, I didn't believe it because I saw it in a video with a big cougar and adult making noises like. Yeah, I don't think so. That sounds too
Yeah.
Okay. Working
squeaky. But no,
We
that's the sound.
spent a lot
Like
of
I
time
said,
before
they
it's
meow and they purr. They can roar. And the difference is in a bone in the
Oh, really? In the throat?
in the throat.
Wow.
So this is great. There's a little gift shop here. They have coffees, lattes, a few little gifts here. They have an ice cream shop. They have a place you can get different types of food. So if you get hungry while you're here, you can absolutely get something to eat. It's great.
Maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough.